Alright guys, I'm back. I have no idea what just happened. Thank you for staying with me. We're going to go through all the hits and see what some people missed. I am sorry for that, guys. And just remember, all cards will be shipped out tomorrow morning, Saturday morning, and we will have another break on Sunday for a division break for 2013 Panini Prominence. I did have, 2 weeks ago, we did have an EJ manual hit. Not a bad hit for that one. So we're going to go over all the hits, guys. I hope all can see me and hear me. Sorry for that, guys. And both these videos will be uploaded to YouTube right after this break. Alright. Randall Cobb, 3 out of 99 for Green Bay. Andre Ellington, 75 out of 99. Auto. Patch, Mike Glennon, 40 out of 75. Looks like that's the bottom of the 8. That's a good patch. Alright. B. William, this is for you. Keenan Allen, 92 out of 171. Very nice patch. That was the topper card. Another Mike Glennon. Number 1, I was mistaken. I thought I was 11. Number 1 out of 130. Signature patch. Sin City, 2 nice hits right there. Atlanta Falcons, 9 out of 50. Julio Jones. Ryan Swoop, auto, no number on that one. For the Pats, Aaron Dobson, 1142 out of 1214. I have no idea why they number these cards so high. They're clean looking cards though, I have to admit. Denard Robinson, 70 out of 175. Signature patch. Really nice patch. For the Pats, 278 out of 1214. And Dobson. For the Steelers, 27 out of 99. Jarvis Jones. Nice card. Laundry Jones, 1038 out of 1214. Patch. And the last hit, Ray Graham for the Texans. Nice little auto. So, out of that box, it wasn't horrible. It was pretty good. There were some big hits, especially for the Bucks. But Sunday we'll be doing the 2013 Panini Prominence division break, and probably next week I might be getting some more Sterling in, so we might do 2, 3, or 4 boxes of Sterling. We just not really sure. This was a good break, guys, so tune in next time for West Coast card breaks, and hopefully you guys get better hits next time that didn't get, and for the ones that did get hits, congratulations. Alright guys, see you next time.